are they doing, Rudy?
It's the horsey.
So you gonna play with the horsey?
No. Close it. Close the door. Hi, I'm up here. Hello. I'm up here.
Are they dancing?
This.
Aren't they gonna use the bathtub?
Yeah.
Anybody need a bath?
Here's the bath. Where's the bath?
It's upstairs.
I'm dirty.
Is he dirty?
Yeah.
Is he gonna go potty too?
Yeah. Michael Body. Michael Body.
This guy?
That's this.
Are they dancing?
This. What's TV?
Are they watching TV?
Yeah.
Are they gonna go cook in the kitchen?
Yeah.
They should go make lunch.
There's Alex. He's in the table. He's in the table. Where's food?
Are they playing?
Where's the food?
Rudy, say, thank you, Grandpa. I love it.
I love it.
Rudy, look at me.
He's on a bicycle.
Is he riding the bicycle?
He's on. He's on the bicycle. He's making lunch.
He's making lunch?
Yeah.
All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.